Eyewitness Weather forecast.
All right, springtime is here. It is, 6 minutes old? But it's still kind of the same old wintry weather pattern that we're going to have to deal with really through the rest of the week. So yeah, it's spring, but it's not spring-like. It'll be here though. I mean, it is by the calendar, but not, in the eyes of Mother Nature right now as we look downtown. We've had light snow and flurries, 32. The roadways are mainly wet, especially the main roads. So yes, we have the snow, but this is not like an impactful type of huge amount of snow. So here's what to expect. As we go into the first full day of spring, we're going to have some wet snow showers and flurries. But during the day, this does not accumulate much. Couple reasons for that. Sun angle being higher in the sky and temperatures up near 40. It just doesn't cut it. It will turn colder tomorrow night into Thursday, and there's going to be a period of lake effect snow. We'll go over numbers in a minute. Numbers now are in the 30s. So like I said, this is, borderline, so main roads should be just fine. Some of the side streets might get a little snowy. We've had some lake effect snow up north 28 at Old Forge. That's where we have a winter weather advisory. Adirondacks, northern Herkimer, northern Oneida County too, and then a winter storm warning for the Tug Hill into Oswego County. Speaking to the fact that we've already had half a foot of snow. Now this is kind of like nickel and dime accumulation, meaning that it's going to add up over time. So some light snow showers and flurries here locally and some steadier snow. 46 to western over to Remsen along Route 8 and 365. We have a little burst of moderate snow. And this big trough at the jet stream level has finally carved out here in the eastern part of the United States. Much of the winter, it has been out west, but we're finally catching a break out here to the west from what has just been a relentless parade of storms. So a little snowy at times tomorrow. There's that secondary cold front. Once that comes through late in the day, we start to line up lake effect snow tomorrow night into Thursday morning before it kind of fizzles out. And then we'll get some clearing sky into the afternoon. But it's really cold Thursday. We'll barely make it to 30 degrees. We should be in the low 40s now. In terms of the snow, again, minor amounts. Coating to an inch or two locally, grassy surfaces. Roadways will just be wet. But some of the higher elevations, 3, 4, 5 inches of snow north, and then also some of the hills to the south and west. So, lake snow tonight, coating to an inch or two near 30, and then it's a windy, flaky Wednesday for the first full day of spring. Watch for the lake effect snow to get going tomorrow night. Temperatures near 40 again. It's just not going to cut it for accumulation, at least during the daytime. Most of the snowflake money comes at night. Leftover flurry Thursday, then clearing, blustery cold. Upper 20s to near 30, that's it. Another snowy system late Friday night into Saturday, but some warmer air will also be employed. So kind of a messy mix should taper Saturday. Then we clear the sky Sunday and start to warm up here as we go into early next week.
All right, sounds good. Thanks, Craig. Still to come tonight on Eyewitness News.